Hey everyone, in the previous video, I showed you guys what are the 7 core flows that every single e-com brand needs in their Klaviyo dashboard. And in that video, I promised that the next videos are going to be about how to create those flows. So this video is exactly about that. So in this video, I'm going to create a welcome flow, and in the next videos, I'll be creating other flows as well. But first, in this video, we'll be going over the welcome flow. I'll be showing you a live demo in this video. I'll create a welcome flow from scratch in this video, so make sure to watch it through and don't miss any single step, because if you do, it might not work for you. So follow along and start creating. I'll create this flow inside of Klaviyo, so if you're not using Klaviyo, then I don't know what the hell are you doing. So please use Klaviyo and let's just jump into it. So this account that you're seeing right now is a demo account. That's why all the numbers are just zero and it's saying so stuff like your account is suspended. Your account should properly be integrated with Shopify, so this would not show and you would have numbers here because of the website. This is a Klaviyo dashboard that you will also have. So before creating the flow, what we'll need to do is create a list of people where all the people are going to be recorded in. So you can do that by going inside of audience, going into lists and segments. Here I have already have few pop-ups, but we'll create another one just to show you. What you'll have to do, you have to create a new list and you can name them by the offer that you run. For me, I am doing pop-up 15% off, and I'm naming this essentially so that I know what offer this is. Okay, so after you have created that, this is a very crucial step that every single brand needs, and you need to do that as well. Go to the settings, and in the consent tab, you'll see the opt-in process. This will be by default would be selected by double opt-in, but what you have to do, you have to click it on single opt-in, which basically means when someone gives you their email, they will be automatically in your list. They would not have to go to inside of the Gmail account and have to confirm their email from that. And this will increase your opt-in rate by 50%. I'm not even kidding, 50%. A lot of brands still has this on and it's causing them subscribers. So don't make that mistake for your brand. Hit save. Once the settings are saved, what you need to do is, after creating the list, of course, you will need a pop-up or a email newsletter page where people can give you their email. So you'll go into sign up forms and create a new form. And in this video, we are not going to go over how we make our pop-up forms. So in this, just for the sake of it, we'll use some template by Klaviyo. Generally, we don't do this. We create our own pop-ups, but for the sake of this video, let's do it. After selecting the pop-up that you are going to use, you need to name it accordingly, and you need to choose an email list. And here you just have to choose the list that you previously created, like right now. You'll go here, create a form. You can go ahead and change this according to your brand and change the images and the texts and what you want to write here. And after doing all of that, what you need to do is hit publish, and this form will be live on your website. Okay, so now you have created the list and you have created the pop-up form as well, where you are going to capture the emails of your customers. And now it's the most fun part. Now we'll create the welcome flow. You have to go to flows, and from here you need to create a flow. For the welcome series, you have a template here. So what you can do, just write welcome and you'll see the welcome series. What you have to do is you have to click the welcome series standard, and here this will not show the prerequisites for your Klaviyo account. It should be done because you have your Shopify integration, but I don't have a Shopify integration with this account because it's a demo account. This panel should be fine. You need to select the trigger, the pop-up subscribers one that you have just created, and then you just have to hit use template. So after creating the flow, you will see this template in front of you, and you need to configure something very important here. You'll click on this trigger tab and you'll add profile filters. You'll go on add profile filters, and you'll add conditions. When someone has or has not done placed order 0 times since starting this flow. After these filters are in place, you are going to click save, and now you are ready to create your welcome flow. Right here, it's 3 email long, but you can have it anywhere between 3 to 7 to 8 emails long. And when you click on this box, you can see this. This is where your subject line and preview text will come. And this is where you will add your email designs. Now what will happen is, when someone will give you their email, this first email would go up to them. Thanks for signing up. They would receive this email. This is where your discount code or whatever offer you are giving them would be there. And you'll tell them about how your brand was made, and basically you'll tell them a brand story, right? And then after this email, Right now here the time delay is a bit long, so what we generally do is we keep it around 1 day and you'll hit save. Then after day one, they will get another email, and here they will get the social proof. So if they have not convert, they will see how other people are liking your brand and how other people have bought from you and they like your product. So this will be a social proof kind of email for them. And on the last email, the time delay is for 4 days, and we will make it shorter. We'll make it 2 days. Okay, and the last email would go up to them would be about your best sellers, and here you can show them their best sellers and what people generally buy from your ecom brand. And I'll suggest you something for the discount code that you will be giving them on the first email. Keep it short, keep it very simple, because if people misspell something, they won't get the code and they would be quite angry with your brand. So keeping code very simple, like welcome 10, welcome 15, or something like thanks 10 and stuff like that. Whatever offer you are giving them, make sure to keep it short and simple so that it is easy for them to check out with that code. This is a live example of a welcome flow that we do for one of our brands. So this is how it would look like. We want to keep it very simple, and we just want to give them the code upfront and have a CTA up top, so that it's very easy for them to just click it and they just know what they are getting in that email, right? So here we have a code welcome, and that gives them 50% off, and we have a CTA right here, get 50% off. This is very nice, and it is very simple, short, and this is how you convert. And at the bottom we have a little bit of bridge copy where we are talking about the brand and we are showing their straps here, and this is just how it would look like. So you can take inspiration from this and create something for your brand. But again, if you have a D2C ecom brand, you shouldn't do this yourself. You should hire us, and we can do this for your brand as well, and we'll make sure to make you a lot of money. So book a call down below. So that is it for this video, and in this video we went over the welcome flow, and in the upcoming videos I'll go over the other flows that I talked about in my previous video. And subscribe and make sure you watch those videos as well, because those flows are important as well, and I will tell you exactly how you need to make them, just like I did this in this video. And if you have an ecom D2C brand, you should hit the link below and book a call with me. I'll go over your Klaviyo setup and help you out with the email marketing as well. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.